Hello and welcome to Artsy Third Saturday, organised by Martha. All the details of the video hop are below. This month I'm going to be doing a portrait from the 29 faces. That's the prompt for this, one of the prompts for this month, and I'll leave all the other prompts in the description below. So I start out creating just a simple sketch of a face, and you can see surrounding me is a selection of Promarker pens. So I'm just going to go over the portrait and build it up with the Promarker pens, and I'm choosing the colours at random. There are some colours that I am going to specifically use for colour tone, but the colours, there are so many colours within our skins that is often picked up by the clothes that we wear. So I'm just playing with the Promarker pens, and you will see me just have fun with them, and I hope you play along with us and visit all the other artists in this video hop and play along as well. And you can chat to us live if there's any questions you want to ask. Just put it in the live chat box and I will answer for you. Okay, so enjoy, and I look forward to you sharing what you do. You can connect with me on Instagram, and again, the details are below. So enjoy, and I look forward to having fun.